Alright. Am I recording? Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Melch here, and I'm back with a new video. This is my first live execution video. Trading EU today. That's Monday. It's first full week of the month, February. It's going to be a great month, great week. And I came into the market. I had a setup. I took a loss at first because I was trying to rush. I was trying to force my position. I wanted to get into a trade. I was feeling a bit antsy. My emotions were coming up. Took a small loss, cut it short, and so I took a small loss, then I ended up taking a win. So just to let y'all guys know, like, you got to stay in the game, you got to stick to your plan. You can't fold under pressure. Did I get lucky? Maybe, right? Nothing's guaranteed in the market. So but I did see my setup. I had my bread and butter. I had my checklist checked off. So whenever we have those confluences and it's a kill zone, you got to enter the trade, right? You can't be scared. So I'm going to show you guys the one I took. About a $1,200 profit around there with 250K accounts. I'm not funded yet. Still doing my evaluation. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys can get something from this. Yeah. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Melch here. We're back. It is Monday. Basically the first full week of the month. Gonna be a fresh month of trading. Hopefully it's gonna be a great month. Sticking to my rules, sticking to my plans, staying patient and disciplined. Today on GU, that's like the only pair I watch. I'm looking for trades. Monday, Asia traded. I literally set out the most perfect trade opportunity. Cause before I went to bed last night, I was looking at Asia. I was like, all right, we have this clear fair value gap and we're consolidating. I think London is gonna open up, trade up here and dump off. And literally that's what it did. And before I went to bed, I was like, should I wake up at 2 a.m. and trade the kill zone of London? But I was like, clearly selling off. Clearly don't see any sort of retracement. And we have 10 a.m. news. So, and we do have a nice liquidity. Or not really, because this yellow line was the last low. But we clearly displaced under it. So I do believe we're going to continue to go lower. I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm not looking for longs. The next level we have is this 4-hour order block. This low right here. And then this massive monthly fair value gap. Massive monthly fair value gap. It's Monday. Do I think we're gonna hit that? Maybe, right? Possibly. Also on the DXY, we have DXY already hit these equal highs, and I think it's a monthly fair value gap. Yeah, monthly fair value gap, right? So DXY already hit their target, hit the target. So I'm a little iffy. We still have some liquidity up here I can mark out. Damn, it's a thick line. So we have some more liquidity we could just grab real quick, but I really want to see a retrace. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. It's Monday. First full week of the month. We have a juicy full month ahead of us of nice price action. So I'm not going to force anything right now. Y'all shouldn't be forcing any setups. That's what set me back so much on my challenge and my evaluation process. I have one green ass week, a good ass week, right? And then the next week I start over trading. I start FOMOing. I'm not disciplined. I'm revenge trading. I blow all the progress, right? So I'm like green, 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 green. One red just wipes it all out. Like, bro, come on, right? So I'm starting to be more disciplined, starting to be more patient. And I realize the quicker I want to do it, the longer it's going to take. So, all right, guys. So I'm taking a look at EU. And we have some lows that we haven't taken right there. So actually this could be a good entry. Maybe a rejection of this order block. I mean a breaker. Is this a breaker guy? I don't know. If anyone watches this, let me know. Because it's basically a failed order block, right? Because this was supposed to hold. So GU we had more of a massive dump. So we could get a retracement up here. Continue lower. I had to use the restroom, guys. So, I'll be right back. Fuck, should I? Fuck it. I'll be right back, guys. So yeah, I was really just looking at GU, but EU looks a little better since we have equal lows now. Even though I love trading GU, that's like my go-to. Let's see what happens. Equal highs. I want to see you push into here. I want to see you push into here. That's what I want to see. Okay. So if we close below this 2-minute fair value gap, we could go lower. And I don't know if I want to enter yet. Because, like, if I enter down here, what is my target? Fucking 8 pips? Not even, like, it's not even worth the commission and shit. Spreads. Alright, guys, so please bear with me. My mic, for some reason, started to glitch out and bug out. Mid-video, I literally didn't touch any of the cords or mess with any of the settings, but I'm going to do a commentary from here on out. So here, I started to get impatient and my emotions started to, like, tick over. And you're going to hear me talk, like, a few more times, but I saw this 2-minute fair value gap, and I thought that this was enough of a retracement for us to continue to take the equal lows. So I was like, all right, if we close below this, I'm going to enter. And I think this is where I enter right here. Yep. This is where I FOMO in. Alright, I just entered. As y'all can hear. Very small size. So I did. I scaled in right here. And stops above the high. And, you know, fast forward, I started to get wrecked. And I did force my position. I did rush into this position. I don't know why. I'm not gonna lie, my emotions did take over. I just, you know what I'm saying, I'm probably just gonna exit right now. Yeah, I cut my loss short, because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. My initial trade idea was probably valid, and I should have waited, right? I think I got too excited, and I just wanted to trade because I was doing a live execution for the first time. So I said I'm gonna cut my loss small. It was a $60. So it was two $60 losses. Fast forward, we're coming into my actual level I wanted to trade. And it was like a breaker block. We're in OTE. And I started looking to scale in. Once I see us, we're starting to reject. And what I was saying in the video was I wasn't getting scared from these little pushes up, right? Because we were just wicking down. Yeah, every time we go up, we sell off. So I was like, okay, buyers are getting absorbed right here, and you know the buyers are getting I'm sorry, institutions are selling to the buyers right here, right? So the buyers are getting completely absorbed. So this is where I was entering. I started to scale in, and we had this small 1 minute fair value gap. So I think at this point I was about 50% in my position, and I was like, I'm going to continue to scale in if we can close below this fair value gap and retest it as an IFVG. So this is what's happening right now. And yeah, so I was a little nervous because, you know what I'm saying, you never know, the trade, you know, it might not play out, right? There's always that chance of probability. So here we go. Once we got that tap, I instantly just, you know, I entered. As you say, sit back and wait. And I was targeting those equal lows. Now, if you look at my initial R to R, it was like a 1 to 2. I mean, 1 to 1.2. Like, it wasn't even a 2R. But as you can see, I'm sitting here waiting. Price is heading to my TP. This is where I showed me actually trading this. This is my 2 accounts, 2 MT5s loaded up on a split screen. As you can see the green where they're when you get close to your TP, it's starting to turn green. And yeah, so there we go. This is like, see, this is me showing like I actually hit the profits and everything. And yeah. So this is basically my trade entry. We had a front run of equal lows. I came in on the retracement. It was a breaker block. scaled down to 1 minute to my confirmation. And then I took 75 profits right at my line, and then I held a little bit longer, and then I ended up closing. But yeah, guys, that was my first trade, live trade example or live execution. If y'all guys want to see more of these, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know more about my strategy, let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all guys want to see. I'm sorry about the audio issues. It definitely won't happen next time. But yeah, like, subscribe. This has been Melch. Catch y'all later.